Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and for today I have another unboxing. I hope everybody is doing fine. It's a nice Friday here in Arizona. Also, before of anything else, let's call the channel of the day, which for today is Sarah Law, a great friend, a great supporter. Also, I want to mention the fact that she's not posting videos on YouTube, but this is my way to encourage her to do so. And I also hope that you'll leave her at least comments down below if it's not on her channel, at least in my comments down below. So yeah, a great girl, great supporter, nice. I have always a nice time talking with her in the comments down below. So with that being said, let's see the box for this video, and is this one. This one is from Dermstore, Beauty Fix by Dermstore. This is a limited edition box that is called Bridesmaids Spring 2018. This box comes every year in spring. I got the last year box, and right now I'm using the last product from that box, which is a serum. Very nice products in that box, great brands, and that's why I got this one too. So this one was around $49.99 or something like that. I'll leave the link down below just in case if they still have this on sale. Also, for this box, if you have the monthly subscription, you can use the $25 coupon that they send us with the March box because of that Peter Thomas Roth size mask. That coupon works if you want to get this one, so you can get actually this box with half price. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one. And it says here, healthy skin and hair begin here. Here is the box inside, and also we get the card. As usually, Dermstore doesn't send the prices. Here is the card for this box, and also I see here a coupon which is saves 20% with code Bridesmaids at dermstore.com/bridesmaids. So actually, if you wanna get this box, you can use this coupon also for 20% off, which is not bad at all. So if you don't have that coupon for 25, I don't think so they take two coupons for the same order, but you can try. I will also leave this one down below just in case if you want to check out this box. So let's go ahead and pick up products from here. The first one is this box, and this one is Wet Brush Pro Detangle Professional for healthier, more beautiful hair. Looks like this. And this one is called Pink Detangle Shower Brush. The brush looks really nice. Love the color of this one, my favorite color. This one is an ombre lavender and purple wet. It's a great brand. I'm using one of these right now. I have it in my bathroom, and I'm happy with the brush. Happy to have another one. Then the next product in here is this one. Here is the box, and this one is from Show, and it says here it's Decadence Hair Fragrance. Okay, looks like this. It's very pretty packaging, and let's see how big is the product. And the product itself looks like this, so very nice packaging. And also about this one, this is a hair fragrance, and let's see how this one smells. It's hard for me to say what smells like, but it's something familiar. And let's see what the card says. It's rose water, creme brulee, and vanilla. I think I felt the creme brulee scent. So yeah, I do like this one. It's really cute as a packaging also. So a good product. I usually don't buy hair fragrance I did couple times, but it's not on my list, but I'm happy to have this one. And then another item in here, it's from Lancer Studio Filter Pore Perfecting Primer. Looks like this. Lancer is a brand that comes often in Beauty Fix boxes, and also it's an expensive brand. The product looks like this, in this rose gold packaging, very pretty. And let's see how the primer is. And here is the primer. I would say that this one looks more like a BB cream. And it feels like a BB cream also. It doesn't have that that feeling like the silicone feeling. It's not like that. It's completely absorbed in my skin, and I'm really curious to see how this one works because I'm trying primers all the time. So is this one, as I said, Lancer is a great brand. We'll see how this one works. Then another item in here. And also I want to mention that it's a matte primer. So one more thing in here, actually not more, I have a couple more. The next one in here is from Skin Medica, and this one is hyaluronic acid 5. And what's this one? It's a rejuvenating hydrator, which looks like this. It's a deluxe sample. And this one comes to enhance texture or dry patches. So it says here, make the most of your Lancer primer by first smoothing your skin with hydrating hyaluronic acid. So you're supposed to use this one before the Lancer primer. So let's see how is this one. Looks like this. It's very light. It has a little bit sand, not too much. It feels very hydrating on the skin and also absorbs very fast. It seems like my skin gets everything right now. Yeah, it is completely absorbed, so it seems to be a great moisturizer. Then we have here from Paula's Choice, this one is Radiance Renewal Mask, also a deluxe sample. And let's see how this guy is. Looks like this. And this one is Radiance Renewal Mask. And about this one, it says the mask delivers a magical touch. So this one should be used at night. Looks like this. It's very fluid for a nighttime mask, but I like the idea because I don't like that gross. Anyway, looks like this. It's true that you can see the radiance from this one, and also absorbs very well in the skin. It's gone right now. Feels very nice on the skin. And probably the best way to try this one is apply it at night and see how the skin looks in the next morning, as they say also on the card. So another item in here, it's from DHC. It's deep cleansing oil. Looks like this. I am not a fan of oils, but I'll try this one. I'm sure I have some samples, but I didn't try them yet. It's a great size. I'm not sure if this one is, I don't think this one is a full size, but it's a great size. You can get many usage from this one. So it's a deep cleansing oil. It cleans makeup. Use it for a double cleanse. And it says also this removes waterproof cosmetics, and it's for all skin types. And this one, it says here, is the first step to remove waterproof cosmetics. So we'll try this one to see how this one works. And another item in here, it's from SkinCeuticals. It's resveratrol, if I'm saying right, probably not. B&E. And this one, it's a sample, looks like this. And this one says, we all know antioxidants are key for a healthy jump start in your day, but what about when you sleep? Wake up radiant on big day with this nighttime treatment. So it's a nighttime treatment. We'll try this one. I didn't use anything from the brand yet. I believe I have some samples, but I didn't try them. And we have one more product in here, which is from Bioderma. This one is Hydro Bio Gel Cream. Sorry, I'm so good in wrapping things. So is this one. And let's see how is the night treatment. Okay, this one looks like this, has a yellow color. And it's like a heavy gel, I would say. It doesn't have any scent. So we'll see how this one works at night. And actually, being a night treatment, let's see what they say that this one does. Wake up radiant. So actually, they say that visibly plump and smooth. So we'll see about that. And as I said, the last item in here, it's from Bioderma. It's Hydra Bio Gel Cream. It's a deluxe sample. It's a light moisturizing care for normal to combination skin. And this one looks like this. As you can see, it's very light. I don't think you can see that, but it's very light also. Bioderma is a great brand. I use their micellar water, but I didn't use a cream from them. So we'll see. It's for hydration. It's a smoothing gel cream formula, and it has a delicate floral scent. I didn't feel the scent, but I was using so many products on my hand that there is no way to, and I still can feel the scent for this one, for the hair product. So is this one the last product? So far we have 2, 5, 8 items in the box. Bioderma gel cream deluxe sample, Paula's Choice renewal mask deluxe sample, this one, DHC deep cleansing oil deluxe sample, I believe. We have SkinCeutical resveratrol B&E sample. We have Skin Medica hyaluronic acid 5 deluxe sample. We have Lancer, which is a Studio Filter Pore Perfecting Primer. I believe this one is a full size. We have also Wet Brush, and we have the hair fragrance, which is really nice. So that's all in this box. So far I like the box. My favorite product in here, I don't know yet, I have to try them. So but the most exciting one that I want to try is the Lancer primer, because I am dealing with big pores, so maybe that will help. So that's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As I said, I will leave the information down below and the coupon code, just in case if it's still available and you wanna get this one. So yeah, that's kind of all for this video. Let's call again the channel of the day, Sarah Law. Thank you so much from my part, and I'll see you soon with another video. You have a great day, a great Friday, a great weekend. Bye bye.